So, you think you've got a handle on crypto? You've bought Bitcoin, maybe dabbled in Ethereum. But have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of NEO? And, more importantly, have you figured out how to actually use it? Because let's face it, having crypto is great, but actually being able to do something with it is where the real fun begins. Today, we're diving deep into the Neon wallet. Now, I know what you're thinking, another wallet? Really? Trust me, this one's different. It's your gateway to the NEO ecosystem, and setting it up is your first step to unlocking a world of smart contracts, digital assets, and who knows what other crypto magic. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you'd even want to use a Neon wallet. Picture this, you're holding a key to a treasure chest filled with potential. That's what NEO and its ecosystem represent. And the Neon wallet is your key. It's not just about storing your NEO, it's about interacting with the platform, participating in decentralized applications, and potentially being part of something truly groundbreaking. Okay, enough hype. Let's get down to business. The first thing you'll need is to download the Neon wallet. Head over to the official NEO website. It's important to download from the right place to avoid scams. Once you've got the software, it's time to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions, just like any other software. Easy peasy, right? Now comes the fun part, creating your wallet. This is where security is paramount. Choose a strong password. I mean, a really strong one. We're talking about your crypto here, people. No weak links. You'll also want to back up your wallet. This is like having a spare key to your treasure chest. Don't lose it. Once your wallet is created and backed up, it's time to fund it. You can transfer NEO from another wallet or exchange. Be careful with this step. Double, triple check the address before sending. One wrong letter and your crypto could be gone forever. Now, let's explore the wallet interface. You'll see your NEO balance, of course. But there's more. You can check transaction history, see the price of NEO, and even interact with smart contracts. It's like having a crypto dashboard right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Neon wallet isn't just about storing NEO. It's also about managing other assets on the NEO platform. We're talking about tokens, digital identities, and more. This is where things start to get really interesting. Remember, the Neon wallet is your portal to the NEO ecosystem. It's a tool, a gateway, and a potential key to new opportunities. Take the time to understand it, experiment with it, and most importantly, secure it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.